Thrikkakara State Assembly constituency is one of the 140 state legislative assembly constituencies in Kerala state in southern India. It is also one of the 7 state legislative assembly constituencies included in the Ernakulam Lok Sabha constituency. As of the 2022 assembly election, the current MLA is Uma Thomas of Incorporated. Thrikkakara Sabha constituency is composed of the following 22 wards of the Kochi Municipal Corporation and 1 municipality in Kannayanar Taluk. All of the above 22 wards are included in the Kannayanar Taluk. The following list contains all members of Kerala Legislative Assembly who have represented the constituency. Key. Incorporated. Percentage change denotes the change in the number of votes from the immediate previous election. There were 181,261 registered voters in the constituency for the 2016 Kerala Sabha election. There were 159,877 registered voters in the constituency for the 2011 election. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.